Sometimes I want to create data validation that doesn't use the stop style but instead warns the person that they may be trying to enter a value that is not valid. For example, I'd like to add a warning to the cells D2, so I'll click on D2, to the very bottom of column D. So I'll press Ctrl-Shift down arrow twice and go down to D, 1,048,576. With these cells selected, I'm then going to go to the Data tab in the ribbon and choose the Data Validation button in the Data Tools group. When I click on Data Validation, I'll then click on Settings at the top. I don't want to allow any value in this range, so I'm going to change this Any Value to List. The Source option, I'm going to click in the Source option and set the source of my list to the lookup sheet, and particularly the range A2 to A7. I'm then going to set an error alert, and this time I'm going to change the stop style to a warning. The title will read Possible Invalid Department. And the error message I want to pop up is the department typed is not in the list. Are you sure you want the typed department? So instead of stopping the user from being able to enter the value, it's just warning the user that the department that they're entering is not one of the listed options and is not in the range A2 to A7 in the lookup sheet. So I'll click OK. If I then click on the cell D2 or any cell from D2 to D1 million, then I'll be able to choose from a drop-down list. If I don't want to choose what's in the drop-down list, I might want to type admin. When I press enter, the message comes up. Possible invalid department. The department typed is not in the list. Are you sure you want the typed department? Continue. At this point they can say yes, and it accepts admin. But I'll change that back to automotive.